Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Apple ID, device passcode, and access to the trusted phone or email. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and restart the device to clear cached errors. Now open Settings or System Preferences and tap Sign In. Follow prompts until you reach the verification screen. If you see a code request, choose the Trusted Device or Text option. This first action removes basic causes and primes the system for secure verification. Next, handle two-factor verification. You request the 6-digit code on a trusted device or via SMS. When the code arrives, enter it immediately. If you don't receive a code, use Account Recovery or request a call to your trusted phone. Make sure date and time are set automatically because mismatched clocks block verification. Also check iCloud status in settings to ensure services are reachable. If prompted, approve the new device from an already signed-in Apple device. Finally, complete sign-in and enable iCloud services so data syncs across devices. Once signed in, confirm photos, contacts, and keychain are active if desired. If verification still fails, sign out of all devices, change your Apple ID password, then sign back in on the primary device. That refresh often resolves persistent tokens. If problems persist, gather device diagnostics, note error messages, and contact Apple support for targeted help. Mention steps taken and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.